If you're experiencing login errors on Scrut automation, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos and make sure that the caps lock key is not enabled. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Scrut Automation's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details of the error message you are receiving for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on Scrut Automation. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.